They were threatening me with ICC. Ako alam ko na, nung unang investigation ni De Lima sa Davao, no, she investigated me sa Davao. Then she was with the chairman of the commission. She investigated me when she was the Secretary of Justice. Then she investigated me when she was a senator and hanggang ngayon, si Duterte. Ilang dinaanan ko investigasyon sa iyo. Pati ito si Florin Hilbay. Pareho ito si Shell, pati si Florin. Hindi malaman kung lalaki o babae. Anak ka ng pato. Former solicitor dyan. Alam mo, totoo. Alam mo kung sino ang pinaka-bright?